This could change everything. A vaccine against coronavirus. A way out for all of us.
Okay, so needle scratch.
The first volunteer to receive it was Elisa Granato, a microbiologist. She's 32 today.
I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support science, the scientific process, whenever I can. And since I don't study viruses, I felt a bit useless these days, so I felt like this is a very easy way for me to support the cause. Yeah, that's why I'm here, and I'm excited.
Half those on the trial will get the coronavirus vaccine, half a different jab. The volunteers don't know which one they've received.
I'm just basically going to sit here and incubate this thing and hopefully provide some good follow-up data, and then we'll see, and hopefully it works.
What would normally take years has been done in 3 months by scientists at Oxford University. Around 80 groups worldwide are developing coronavirus vaccines. A few others in the US and China have also started human trials. There's no guarantee any of them will succeed.
Personally, I'm very optimistic it's going to work. Formally, we are testing it in an efficacy study. There's absolutely no suggestion we're going to start using this vaccine in a wider population before we've demonstrated that it actually works and stops getting people infected with coronavirus.
So how does the vaccine work? Scientists have taken the genes for the spike protein on the surface of coronavirus and put them into a harmless virus. This forms the vaccine. After it's injected, the vaccine enters cells which start to produce the coronavirus spike protein. This prompts the immune system to produce antibodies and activate killer T cells, which should recognize the coronavirus in future and destroy it, preventing infection. The scientists will only know how effective the vaccine is if lots of volunteers are exposed to coronavirus.
Well, at this moment, we're chasing the end of this current epidemic wave. And of course, if we don't catch that, we won't be able to tell whether the vaccine works in the next few months. But we do expect that there will be more cases in the future because this virus hasn't gone away.
Why not simply infect people with coronavirus after they've had the vaccine? Then you'd know.
At this moment, it would be very difficult to do that with a disease which potentially has quite a high fatality. So I think if we reached a point where we had some treatments for the disease and we could guarantee the safety of volunteers, that would be a very good way of testing a vaccine.
The vaccine is stored in this freezer at -80 degrees. Rarely has a medical trial had so much riding on it for so many people. It is hard to overstate just how important this vaccine could be if, and it's a big if, it proves to be safe and effective. It would represent science giving us the solution to the coronavirus pandemic.
Well, I think everybody agrees it's the only way we're going to get out of the lockdown, the social distancing, and really be able to still have people protected as they go about their daily lives.
Edward, a cancer researcher, was next up. There is a theoretical risk the vaccine could make a coronavirus infection worse, but the team here think that highly unlikely, and the volunteers will be carefully monitored.
It seems like the right thing to do to ensure that we can combat this disease and get over it a lot faster.
Do you have any concerns at all about safety?
I think you can never fully exclude any sort of potential risk, but I think you have to, walk in faith in these things. You have to trust in that the work has been done as best they can, and know that the cause is important.
The Oxford team are hoping to have 1 million doses of vaccine ready by September, with a huge scale-up in manufacturing after that. It's not clear, though, who would be prioritised to get the vaccine first. And for now, we have to wait and see if it works.